Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the One UI 7 beta update. So finally the long awaited One UI 7 beta update is now rolling out. And today in this video we'll talk about that what devices are eligible for the update and how you can update your device to the One UI 7 beta. But keep in mind that this is the beta version update and this update might get some bugs and issues. So if you will update this beta update on your primary device, so keep in mind that this might contain some lags and you have to back up your data as well. Talking about the eligible devices for the One UI 7 beta update, so as for now this is already available on the S24 series, and later on according to the rumors it will be rolling out on the S23 series as well. Sadly the S22 series is not included in the device list. As for now we might get to see later, but as for now it is only available for the S24 series. This update is also limited to some certain regions. As you can see, only these regions will get the One UI 7 beta update. Now if you talk about the installation process, so for that you will have to install this Samsung Members application from the Play Store app, and after installing this Samsung Member application you will have to open it, and after opening your Samsung Members application you will enroll for the One UI 7 beta version from here. You will get to see this One UI 7 beta version banner somewhere over here. And if the banner is not available you can check in the notices, and from there you will get to see the One UI 7 beta enrollment will be available over here, and from here you can enroll for the One UI 7 beta version, and after waiting for a while you will get to see the update in your settings. And if you ask that how you can check for the update in the settings, for that you have to go to your settings and you just have to scroll down and select software update, and then you have to click on download and install. From here you will get to see the One UI 7 beta version update, and you just have to simply download that update and you can install it. I am currently using the S22 Ultra and no update is available on this device. I will let you know once it is available. Talking about some of the major changes, so the One UI 7 includes the new control panel design and smoother animations while opening and closing of the apps. There are some major UI changes available with the One UI 7 update. Also you will get to see some live activities over here in the form of dynamic pill. And that's all for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about the One UI 7 beta version and how you can update it if you are new on this channel. So make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.